Hello guys, welcome to Gist Media TV. If you're watching this channel for the first time, kindly click the subscribe button to subscribe and also click the notification bell to get notified anytime we drop a new video. Tempers rose on Monday among participants at the Nigeria's 2023 Presidential Transition Inter-Ethnic Peace Dialogue, organized by Youths of the Street Initiative, when the leader of the Northern Consensus Initiative, Dr. Hawal Abdullahi, said the North was no longer opposed to a breakup of the country. He said, the North before now was saying we don't believe in separation, but as I am standing, I'm telling you that if there is going to be a separation tomorrow, the North is ready for it. We are also ready. Let's go our different ways, and I am telling you this with all sincerity. Northern Nigeria before now did not want to hear anything separation, but as at today, as I speak to you, the North is equally ready. What I'm saying might be controversial, but I'm speaking the minds of the Northerners, and I have no apology to anyone in this hall. Although I respect the leaders and elders here, I have no apology to anyone on what I say. However, the confusion generated by his statement had hardly died down when another speaker, the president of the Middle Belt Forum, Dr. Pogu Bitrus, mounted the rostrum to respond to Abdullahi's position. According to him, the Middle Belt will not pull out of the country with the North. He said, so if my brother says the North is going, be sure the Middle Belt is not going with you. You are on your own. We have served and sacrificed for this country. The civil war that occurred, the Middle Belt was used to fight, while the North sat back to enjoy. Bitrus said the Middle Belt adopted the proposal of Afenifere and Ohanaeze as a common position that will save the country. Adebanjo, while presenting the position of the Yoruba, which was also adopted by the Ohanaeze and the Middle Belt Forum, said the process for a genuine consensus on an acceptable national constitution should begin with the production of position documents by all nationalities between now and December. He said going forward, Nigerians should be allowed to exercise their rights and sovereignty on how they wanted to live together under mutually beneficial terms. The Nigerian said the various regions in the country should be allowed to choose the type of government they wanted to adopt within their area under a truly federal structure, which will guarantee some measure of autonomy and control over resources and policing of their entities. According to him, there should be no artificially prescribed number of regions in a manner that may foreclose the rights of the people that desire to organize themselves as a semi-autonomous regional member of the Nigerian state, so long as the territory desiring such regional status could guarantee its self-sustenance and viability as an entity. Adebanjo said the constitution must also emphasize true federalism in such a way that no region or area would have the power to lord it over another region or area. He also proposed that each region should contribute 10% of what it generates to the national purse, while retaining 30%, with the states taking 35% and the local government taking 25%.
The North before now is saying we don't believe in separation. But as I'm standing, I'm telling you that if there's going to be separation tomorrow, the North is ready for it.
Tó ọ̀rọ̀ lẹ́gbọ̀n ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa, Fúlàní náà ń lọ o, àwọn ò jẹ́ Nàìjíríà mọ́ o, Haúsá náà ń lọ, àwọn ò jẹ́ Nàìjíríà mọ́, Yorùbá náà ń lọ, àwọn ò jẹ́ Nàìjíríà mọ́ o, bẹ́ẹ̀ Ìgbò náà ń lọ, àwọn ò sí nínú Nàìjíríà yìí mọ́. Ẹ jẹ́ ká jọ bira wa o, wípé kí ló wá kù báyìí? ọ̀rọ̀ yìí ò fàjà rárá o tá a bá gbé sí làákàyè. Gbogbo wa la ń lọ wípé jẹ́ Nàìjíríà mọ́, ẹ jẹ́ ká kúkú máa lọ kí kálukú ó dọ́mú ìyá ẹ̀ gbé. ṣùgbọ́n ó tó gbà yí ọmọ Fúlàní kan náà ń lọ nígbà tó jẹ́ wípé gbogbo owó Nàìjíríà ìkápá wọn ló wà, torí pé tẹ́ bá dé pọ́ọ̀tù wa àwọn ló wà ń bẹ̀, ní mílítírì àwọn ló wà ń bẹ̀, ní pólíìsì ọmọ Fúlàní lọ̀gá abẹ́ o. ṣùgbọ́n lẹ́nìí ọgbà ẹnu wọn kọ́ nípa wọn ń lọ nítorí wípé wọ́n nígbàgbọ́ pé owó yanturu wọ́n ń bẹ níkẹ́ àwọn báyìí, àwọn lè dá dúró. àwọn ọmọ Yorùbá ẹ má jà tanra wa jẹ o, wọ́n fẹ́ máa rán wa létí àwọn nǹkan kan tó ti kọjá sẹ́yìn tó jẹ́ wípé kò ṣeé má sọ ń pa ẹ̀. ní kòpẹ́kòpẹ́ yìí ni àwọn Fúlàní ní àwọn ò ní kó oúnjẹ wá sí ilẹ̀ Yorùbá mọ́, pé àwọn fẹ́ kébi ó pa ọmọ Yorùbá, ṣùgbọ́n Ọlọ́run ọba mi ò fún wọn ṣe. tòmátò àríra mọ́, iṣu wọn gógógógó, bẹ́ẹ̀ rodo sọ̀ǹbọ̀ gbogbo ẹ̀ ló wọ́n lọ́jà, bẹ́ẹ̀ lẹ̀wà náà. àwọn ọmọ Yorùbá lóòótọ́ la fẹ́ dá dúró, ṣùgbọ́n a níṣẹ́ tó pọ̀ láti ṣe. Ọlọ́run ò ní febi pa wá o, ṣùgbọ́n èyí tèmi mọ̀ ni pé màálù wọn ò lè dá jẹ o. gbogbo màálù tán ní ibi náà ló ń tà sí, mélòó ló fẹ́ jẹ ń bẹ̀. wọ́n mọ̀ọ́mọ̀ máa ṣe jàǹbá fún àwọn àgbẹ̀ wa ni, káwa má bàa dáko, kán bá máa ríbi ta nǹkan oko wọn sí. bẹ́ẹ̀ ni, ṣùgbọ́n tí kálukú bá ti lọ lọ́tọ̀ọ̀tọ̀, èyí tó dá mi lójú ni pé ọmọ Yorùbá gan á gbáradì pẹ̀lú àṣẹ Ọlọ́run ọba. ebi ò ní pa wá, ìyà ò ní jẹ wá lágbára Èdùmàrè. ẹ jẹ́ kí kálukú wa ká lọ lọ́tọ̀ọ̀tọ̀ ká dá dúró. lóòótọ́ làwọn middle náà fẹ́ wà pẹ̀lú wa, ṣùgbọ́n àwa Yorùbá àdádúró ni àbẹ́ nìkan ṣe mọ́, torí àfẹ́ wà láwùjọ iwájú. ṣe mọ̀ pé àwọn ìlú tá à ń pè ní middle belt ní ara wọn ní Niger wà, Benue wà, bẹ́ẹ̀ ni. pàápàá jùlọ wọ́n máa ń ka Kwara mọ́ wọn, ìyẹn ìlú Ìlọrin, ṣùgbọ́n ọ̀rọ̀ ńlá ni ilẹ̀ Yorùbá ni ìlú Ìlọrin jẹ́. bẹ́ẹ̀ ni, jàǹbá ni wọ́n ṣe fún wa débẹ̀. Ìlọrin ilẹ̀ Yorùbá ni. èyí tó sì dá mi lójú ni pé pẹ̀lú àṣẹ Ọlọ́run, Yorùbá ara Odùduwà nìlọrin ó máa jẹ́, ara Yorùbá nation nìlọrin á wà pẹ̀lú àṣẹ Èdùmàrè. ẹ ti fi kálukú máa lọ o, Ọlọ́run sì ní jẹ́ ó ṣógun láṣẹ Èdùmàrè. ó dìgbà.